Hey guys, welcome back to Husband and Wife Outdoor Life. Ashley and Matt here. Today we are back at that same lake Dad and I were at the other week, and we have one goal today, and that goal is to get Matt's very first fish through the ice. It's also his birthday. So.
Yep. Yep, she finally got me out here, finally gonna do ice fishing for the first time ever, so yeah. Excited to hopefully get a fish.
All right, let's do it. We'll see you on the ice. One down. Alrighty, got the shanty set up, and as you saw, we got some holes drilled. So now we're gonna set up the inside and start fishing. Matt's first fish through the ice, yeah! Goal accomplished in 30 seconds. Got one. Got one.
Woo! That took no time at all.
Yeah, right. It was in the water for like 2 seconds. We're gonna let him go. Oop. Get in the hole.
Just tap it in. Just tap it in.
So today we are using frostbite jig. Just a little one there, tipped with some wax worms. Another one. Yay, 2 for Ashley.
Ah.
You got one?
Yeah, but I can't reel. Oh, I lost them.
Sorry. Another little one. Oh, got one. Got another one. Come on, spit it out. You got one?
Oh yeah, killer.
Oh, it's not bad. A little one. Number 2, right?
Yep.
All right. Got one? There's another one.
That's 3.
And Matt's got another one. All right. Number 4.
He's just so light.
I saw him. I saw him in the hole.
Yeah, they're just little guys taking little nibbles.
Lost one right at the hole there. Matt had another one.
It's almost continuous bites though.
Yeah. I actually turned the Vexlar off. We don't really need it. There's so many fish here. It just is all lit up right now.
Oh!
Off at the hole.
I don't think that counts.
Nope.
Shoot, that might have been my biggest one too.
Was it bigger?
Yeah. Oh. Well, I traded him for his little brother.
That might be the tiniest one yet.
That is. Here. So is that...
There's one.
Oh, not bad.
Whee!
What is that? 5 and 5? 6 and 5?
I think I'm at 4.
Yeah. 4. Oh. Jerk, he just flipped water in my eye.
Oh, there's a good one. Ah, no, just a good fighter. A little better, I guess. Not too bad.
He had the heart of a 10-pounder.
Not bad.
That sort of level.
This lake is usually pretty good for catching fish. There's another one for Matt.
Whee!
Oh, you got another one.
For all I know, though, these are like the exact same one. Here, proof.
Nice little guy.
I mean, really, it's like the second you put it in, these wax worms.
Oh, I think I got one.
Wax worms
Nope.
are doing work.
Oh,
something.
robbed me blind.
Something. Just keeps flashing me in the
Yeah,
eyeball.
got another one. That's a little better one. It's a much better. Oh, there's one. There's one. I just turned the GoPro off too. Whee. Yay, double. Our camera's gonna smell like fish. Got one. That was like 2 seconds.
Why are you drifting?
Because you got a fish.
Oh, I have a fish. Wow, it's pretty down there. But he's a little guy, so I don't know.
This is what I'm using on the other rod. It's called a dinnerbell spoon. So far no bites on it, but I'm hoping a big perch sees it. There he is, got him. Little guy. Act like a monster.
King of the lake.
Oh, dang it.
Oh.
Lost my wax worm again.
Shoot.
Not one bite on the minnow.
They're two. Oh! Did I get one? Instant. Ah!
You had one, I saw it go. Got him. Yeah! Redemption. So far, no keepers.
Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. I've already caught like 10. It's already better than most afternoons.
Little baby. Alright.
Oh, we're running out of wax worms, so now we got our minnows replenished.
GoPro was not filming.
They don't want to be on the GoPro.
Every time I turn the camera off, we catch one. This is ridiculous. Not really having to jig at all. They just kind of seem to hit it as soon as you put it to the bottom. Ugh.
You are just
Man.
delivering the catering service.
Got me again.
Gordon Ramsay would be proud of how quickly you're serving out dinner.
Jesus.
First time in a long time. I'm happy.
Finally.
Oh, there's a little better one.
Proof. Okay.
Oh, there's one. Not too bad. How many fish can I catch while Matt's taking his off the hook? There's one. Another one.
Excuse you. That's not your hole.
Well, you haven't caught a fish in a while, so I figured I'd throw it.
That's been like 2 minutes.
Well, folks, we are catching a lot of fish. Nothing of substantial size yet. Still looking for that big one so we can fry it up for dinner, but right now it's looking like no dinner and
grab a pizza on the way home.
Grab a pizza. It's been fun though. We're catching quite a few. Seems like every couple of seconds we're reeling in a fish, which is awesome. Oh, there's one.
I think you're starting to pass me.
There's another one. Little guy. I just got a bite on this other rod. Yep. Dang it. I saw this rod go, but I was catching that other fish tonight, so I didn't grab it, but lost our minnow. Looks like something stole it. I'm gonna rebait this one. Maybe it was something big. I knew I saw that get a bite, too. Dang it.
I want food right meow.
Oh, got one.
Oh, that wasn't fair. You just put that in.
How many times am I going to drop my rod in the minnow bucket?
Every time is the answer.
Oh. Oh. That was, oh, Matt. 2 bites. 2 bites. 2 fish. 2 fish. 2 fish. 2 fish. Reel that one in. Oh, no. We just hooked each other here. Hold on.
It's one fish and a hook. Uh-oh.
You got both of them.
Oh,
look at that. Oh, my God.
Oh, shoot. I got one. No, I don't. I can't reel.
Oh, my goodness. Get back down there, Mr. Minnow. Here, I thought I had 2 fish.
This thing, I think I might.
Do you have one? You got a nice one. Get in. Get in.
It's stuck in the eyes.
You got him?
Yep.
We got too many fish in the shack right now.
Literally couldn't even do anything.
Oh, got one. Got one. Got one. Oh, it's a baby. It's a baby.
It's just a boy.
Hey. Settle down, settle down, settle down. I swear these little ones fight way harder than the big ones do. There's one. Another one.
I think you've passed me at some point.
I think I've more than passed you. There, you got one. Oh,
no.
Did he come up?
He popped off.
There's a bite. Oh. Had a bite on the minnow and missed it.
What? I thought I had some.
Oh, We're both getting bites at the same time.
Little nibbles.
Just trying to strip you. There we go, got one. There's a little better one. Look at that. That's a nicer one.
You could almost eat it.
Almost, he's still pretty small. Got one? Oh yeah, that's a nicer one.
No, it's not.
They look bigger in the hole.
They always do.
There we go. We got into another school of them. There's another one.
She's just doing this to cheat, folks, so she gets ahead.
I'm cold. Matt's going to get the heater. It's a little chilly in here. The wind's finally picking up, and
no, she just wants me to get behind by a fish or two.
There's one. There's one. There's one. There's one. Ah, it's still tiny.
I hate to tell you, I think they're all gonna be tiny.
Oh, we got a couple big ones last time. Teeny fish. Here's one. Pretty much as soon as you put it on the bottom, you get hit. Got him? Oh, there you go. A little better one. It's not a bad size.
No, it's not. You just keep being generous.
Every time I look over there, though, I see him in the hole, and he looks a lot bigger than he is.
Well, you see, that's called refraction.
Another one. Matt, I think I've passed you in double digits. Editor Ashley can put the scorecard
Yeah,
up
let's
in the
go
corner.
to the tape.
There's one.
Flawless victory.
Are you enjoying your ice fishing adventure so far?
I am, but I did just feed one for free.
Let's see if Matt can catch a fish right now. Camera running. On pressure. Got one? Nope.
Something bit it.
Just want like one huge perch. That would be fantastic.
Yeah, that fry mix is what's gonna skunk us on that.
It's because I bought fry mix today. Matt got one. Alright. He looks a little better. That's a nice one. It's a nice little bluegill. Alright, put him back. Bye, fishy. I mean, that was a pretty good one, but I don't know if I'd have kept it, seeing as we haven't caught any other keepers, so he gets a free pass. Matt just got another one. Oh, I think that's a sunfish. Yeah, it's a sunfish. Oh. Matt got a pumpkin seed sunfish. And Matt just reeled in another one. As soon as I turn the camera off, every time he catches one.
Yeah, do you see what she's doing, audience, where she says she's more than doubled me, and then the camera's mysteriously off when I get these little ones?
He's not that little. Oh, he's little.
He's little.
He's little. Let's just zoom in on that tiny little beastus. Yeah, Matt got a keeper. All right. He's the only keeper we've caught today. That is a nice one. He's thick.
Splashing.
Nice. All right.
Chunk.
I think we're probably gonna put him back since he's the only keeper we've caught. But, yes, we did get a keeper today. Sweet. That's another big one. Good job. That one might be bigger than the last one. There's one coming up.
Woo.
Hey, that's a better one. Look at that one. A little bit better than what I've been catching. Not as big as Matt's though.
I have the two biggest ones, but I think you're beating me by at least probably 10 at this point.
Yeah, I think I have somewhere around 40 fish caught or something. I don't know. I lost track, but send him back. Got another one on. Oh, you took mine. You can have my wax worm. Did you film that? I caught him in midair.
I don't think I caught your hand.
I caught him in midair.
Cause
I thought he was gonna hit the worm bucket and spill it.
he felt like a champion. He's got the heart of a giant in there. I feel you, buddy. Now, I can't promise these results, but for my first time ice fishing, this trip has been insane. We've been out here maybe 3.5, 4 hours, and we've got to be almost at 60 fish. I've caught 25 plus. She's caught at least 30. We've had 2 good keepers, a lot of bluegills, a lot of sunfish. Oh, we got something. Yeah, like, literally, do you see, I'm trying to just detail the trip and do a report, and we're getting fish. I mean, this is crazy. You know, winter, you kind of feel like you're in a rut with work and college. I'm sure a lot of you know what that's like. So get out there, go do something different, try it out. A lot of fun. Glad I spent my birthday out here.
Yes!
Story. The reason she is freaking out is she has had this little ugly stick rod, and usually for like perch fishing, ugly sticks are some of our best rods and the luckiest. But she has been skunked on this rod.
And I always go back to something different because I can never catch anything on it. I swear to God, it's the unluckiest rod on the planet. And I've tried every single bait. Finally, the dinnerbell with a waxworm tipped. First fish on the ugly stick rod in ever.
Yes. She had minnows in there, hoping for the perch, king of the lake.
Yes.
Puts a waxworm on there.
You're not unlucky anymore. I've been bringing it out on these trips where we've been catching a ton of bluegills. I'm like, all right, we got to break the skunk on this rod. It's going to catch a fish, and it never catches a fish. This time, got it.
She literally tells me, grab the camera, it's a good one, it's a good one.
Nope.
And this is what we get.
He's just a little sunfish, but he fought like a big one. Holy cow. Felt like a huge fish, and it was not. Holy cow.
Like a big one.
Number 3 for skunky rod. Got a double.
Twins. We're trying to get one last one with the last worm. When Ashley and her dad went last time, they caught like 50, and yeah, we're probably near 100. It's been a lot of fun, and we will check back in if we do get our last fish of the day. Oh. And there it is, the last fish on the last worm. So that's a good day. That's probably close to 100 fish for, what would you say, 4.5 hours?
Something like that.
Yeah.
Stay tuned for our next adventure.